Which book do you want to read? One on trucks? The one on Dalmatians? Or the one on bunnies? Which one? All of them? Or do you want to look at the computer? That one? That's the book you want to read? Bless you. That's a book? That's the book we'll read. You sure? Alright, that's the book we'll read.